It goes without saying that Robo-Vac technology has gotten absolutely crazy, but unfortunately so have the price tags that are often associated with them. But the Lefant M3 is a little different. It gives you a lot of the high-end features that you expect in far more expensive devices while keeping things economical, and for that reason and many more, it is one of the best Robo-Vacs you can get in the market right now. And in this video, we're going to cover all the awesome features this thing is rocking and show you why it's the ultimate cleaning machine for a perfectly automated cleaning experience. So let's get into it. A quick recap of everything you get when you purchase your Lefant M3. So you do get the multi-function charging station, which does have a dedicated clean and dirty water tank. And yes, it's easy to fill as well as empty. Furthermore, you do have a little bay to put in the cleaning solution. You also get a nice large 3.5 liter capacity dustbin area over here, which is of course replaceable. And then we get the M3 cleaning unit itself. We'll talk about that in just a bit. Furthermore, we get a bunch of spare stuff like a spare mop pad, a spare filter set, as well as a spare side brush. We get some basic documentation, and yes, you do get their in-house cleaning solution out of the box. The Lefant M3 has an extremely simple design which looks minimalist but nice at the same time, and it has a durable unibody build, so you don't have an additional bumper mechanism. That's one less area where dust can get trapped in. You only have a total width of just 32 centimeters, or better yet, you only have a total height of 9.7 centimeters, which is extremely compact and easy to fit across most tight spaces. You get a 360-degree direct time of flight sensor, which is extremely accurate and great for mapping large environments very quickly. You have a 190-degree PSD obstacle avoidance system, which also is super reactive in nature, and you do get their proprietary Free Move 3.0 sensor, which is great at navigating tight spaces in both bright and dark settings alike. Now, at the bottom of the Robo-Vac is where all the magic happens, so you do have the advanced dual mopping mechanism. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. You also have the anti-tangle V brush over here, which is removable, and you can see that it's great at not kind of picking up any sort of tangling with hairs or whatnot, and the dual comb mechanism constantly cuts any tangles that does happen, minimizing any sort of maintenance that you basically have to do. And then you have the side brush, which is in charge of picking up all the debris from those tight corners. Loaded with a powerful 10,000 Pascal suction motor, the M3 is more than capable of picking all sorts of debris from various surfaces. Based on our test, it nearly picked up all the debris on the first try, having an extremely high accuracy and rate of cleaning. Now, at the same time, because of all the power you have over here, you're able to comfortably use this thing on a rougher surface like a carpeted surface and still get similar results. Better yet though, you have a runtime of up to 220 minutes on a single charge, or you can cover approximately 220 square meters worth of area, which means that most medium and large size rooms can be completely cleaned with a single battery cycle. Now, you also have advanced technologies like anti-fall, anti-pinch, as well as anti-collision mechanisms thanks to all the sensors, which make sure that this thing doesn't fall off the stairs, for example, and get into unwanted accidents. The Lefant M3 has an equally impressive mopping mechanism. The dual mop pads can reach speeds of the 200 RPM, getting rid of even the most stubborn of stains. Whether it's sticky stains like oil or wet sugar, or perhaps it's milk stains, it completely picks it up, usually on the first try, without any residue left whatsoever. And the quality here is genuinely amazing. Now, I also appreciate the fact that you have lifting mop mechanisms here, so the adaptive lift mechanism allows you to go as high as 9 millimeters when you're on a carpeted surface, preventing cross-contamination, and yes, it automatically stops spinning the pads when you are on carpeted surfaces. Now, another great thing is that once the mopping job is completed, it goes back to the station for a nice 45 degrees Celsius warm water wash to completely clean out the mopping pads. And then after that, it goes into a 2-hour cool air drying session for a completely sanitary cleaning experience. The Lefant app is also fantastic. It seamlessly syncs with your Robo-Vac, so you can adjust its various settings, you can adjust mapping settings, you can save up to 3 distinct maps at the same time, and yes, you can also set dedicated zones, automatic cleaning schedules, you can adjust various settings, and apply over-the-air updates as well. The Lefant M3 is genuinely one of the best cleaning Robo-Vacs out there. It's equipped with one of the most advanced technology, including multiple sensors. It's got an advanced sanitary cleaning system and one of the best navigational mapping systems you can find on the market right now. Furthermore, its cleaning performance is honestly impressive. Based on our test, it pretty much did everything without any issues whatsoever, and it's got amazing battery life, so you can run large sessions and clean large amounts of area without worrying about running running out of juice. Overall, I think this is a fantastic Robo-Vac if you're looking at something that's going to be durable and reliable at the same time. Of course, I will have links in the video description below, so make sure you check those out for the best available pricing. And as always, if you guys enjoyed the content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.